kings of Orient are bearing gifts. We traverse afar, field and fountain, moon and mountain, follow him yonder star. Oh, star of wonder, star of light, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceed, guide us to thy perfect light. Born a king on Bethlehem's plain, gonna bring to crown him again, king forever, ceasing never, over us all to reign. Oh, star of wonder, star of light, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceed, guide us to thy perfect light. Frankincense to offer a vine, incense on the Deity nigh, pray and praising, all men raising, worship him God most high. Oh, star of wonder, star of light, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceed, guide us to thy perfect light. Myrrh is its pretty perfume, breath of life, of gathering gloom, sowing, sighing, bleeding, dying, still in the stone cold tomb. Oh, star of wonder, star of light, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceed, guide us to thy perfect light. Glorious now, behold him arise, King and God and sacrifice. Heaven sings hallelujah, hallelujah, earth replies. Oh, star of wonder, star of light, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceed, guide us to thy perfect light. To God be the glory. ต้องไปเป็นท่านนายตาเห็น